Let's talk about SI units. We're going to make them super easy to remember and use. Ever notice how many ways we measure things? Meters, miles, light years? It's kind of confusing, right?
So what's the fix? Well, think of it like a universal set of scientific Lego blocks. These blocks are called SI base units, and they're the absolute foundation for, well, everything. All right, here they are. These are the core base units you've got to know. Seriously, memorize these.
But hang on, there's a tricky one. The kilogram is the only base unit with a prefix.
So what about everything else? If it's not a base unit, it's a derived unit. Simple.
And there's a super simple trick to find any derived unit. Just 3 steps. Let's do one.
Okay, first up, speed. Easy one. We just need the formula for it.
Now just swap in the base units. Distance is meters, time is seconds. Boom, meters per second.
See how that works? Let's build on it with momentum. That's just mass times velocity.
So we plug in kilograms for mass and the speed unit we just figured out. Done!
All right, ready for a classic exam question? Finding the base units for energy? Let's go. Same steps as before. First, we need the formulas for work and force to get started.
Okay, let's substitute. Kilograms for mass, meters for distance, and meters per second squared for acceleration.
Now just tidy it all up. And honestly, this is a really good one to just memorize.
Okay, you ready for the final boss? Let's figure out the base units for electrical resistance.
We start with Ohm's law. Then we substitute formulas until we only have base quantities left.
All right, now we plug everything in. We'll use our unit for work, and the others we know.
And here's where all those building blocks come together. You can see the unit for work on top.
And once we simplify that fraction, there it is, the base units for resistance. Awesome.
So what's the big takeaway here? Let's recap the most important things to remember.
You can use this method for literally any derived quantity. So what are you going to deconstruct next?